Chevrolet Bel Air is a full-size car that was produced by Chevrolet, an American division of General Motors, from 1950 to 1975. The Bel Air was a popular model, known for its stylish design, comfortable ride, and powerful engine options. The Bel Air was introduced in 1950 as a high-end trim level of the Chevrolet Deluxe. It was designed to compete with other full-size cars of the time, such as the Ford Galaxy and the Plymouth Fury. The Bel Air was known for its sleek and stylish design, which featured a bold grille, sweeping curves, and a distinctive, hardtop roofline. Inside, the Bel Air was equipped with a range of luxurious amenities, including premium upholstery, carpeted floors, and advanced audio systems. The car also featured a range of advanced safety features, including power brakes, power steering, and a reinforced passenger compartment. The Bel Air was powered by a range of engines, including inline-6 and V8 options. The most powerful engine available was the 409 cubic inch V8, which produced 360 horsepower. The Bel Air was also equipped with a range of transmission options, including a 3-speed manual, a 4-speed manual, and a 2-speed automatic. The Bel Air was a popular model throughout its production run, with over 16 million units sold worldwide. The car was also popular with hot rodders and customizers, who prized its powerful engine and stylish design. The Chevrolet Bel Air was discontinued in 1975, replaced by the Chevrolet IMPALA. However, the Bel Air remains a beloved classic car, prized by collectors and enthusiasts for its stylish design, powerful engine, and luxurious amenities. The Chevrolet Bel Air key is a specialized key designed specifically for the Bel Air model. The key features a unique design and shape, with a distinctive flag shape at the top. The key is typically made of metal, with a chrome or brass finish. The key is used to unlock and start the Bel Air, and is an essential item for any Bel Air owner.